What's up, guys? Well, we are starting a new project today, guys. As you guys can see, we got all of our products here, we got our product there. But the funny thing is, we have got an access road per the request of the client. They have an access road that leads right up next to their pond that we're going to be doing a rebuild on. This is it. We're going to be taking this access road about, I'd say a quarter mile.
Back in '82, I used to be able to throw a pigskin a quarter mile.
Are you serious?
I'm dead serious.
That thing is going to pull up right next to their pond. We're going to get stuff unloaded and take this access road, and we're going to show you guys what this thing looks like. Well, so I was told that the irrigation system would be off because, as you can see, we have an overflow valve that's tied to the irrigation. I was told the irrigation was going to be shut off when we started work. In your professional opinion, how did they build this?
They dug a hole, filled it with boulders, and more rock on top of that.
Decorative stone on top of that, huh? Look at that. So do you think all that? So you think all that mud and gross nastiness in there is actually going to hold any water like our Aqua Blocks do? No. So what ends up happening once all of these voids they try to create with these boulders fill up? Fills with dirt, and if it's filled with dirt, what can't be in it when it's filled with dirt? Water.
It's clean. It's cold. Now that's what I call high quality H2O. Oh!
It wasn't holding water. And that right there, that mud right there. Grab that mud. That mud, hold that up. That mud is filling all of the voids that they tried using these field stones with. That's why it's not holding water. Folks, when you are building a basin, you need to use Aqua Blocks. Trust me. Well, I mean, unless you're one of those landscapers that just does construction but doesn't do maintenance or service or anything like that. So you're just gonna come in, take the client's money, and then disappear and never hear from them, or never have the intention to fix the corners that you cut. So guys, we don't do this. This is not what we do. We use Aqua Blocks to build basins.
Aqua Blocks.
The more you know.
Take you where you wanna go. Take you where you wanna go.
All right, we got the basin torn out, guys. Woo! Yeah, this thing was a doozy, but let me go ahead and show it to you. It's basically got the size of a small pond. All right, this is some type of automatic fill system off the gutters. It looks like that's tied to here, that goes to there, and it comes down and it goes under here, into there. Yeah, we don't want roof water in this thing. So not without some type of pre-filtering, just kind of like the system that we have with Aquascape Inc. And their gutter pre-silt box, I'm not exactly sure what it's called. I'm sorry, it's eluding me, but it's there. Let me show you guys how they actually constructed this. They didn't construct this Aqua Block basin and a vault and stuff like that. They did this. They did that. That is what they did. All of this rock, this is more rock than I need to build a 10 by 15 pond. Holy bejesus.
Holy Mother of God!
What are you guys yelling about?
Go to bed, go to bed, go to bed.
They're massive. Let me just gotta give you some scale here. That's my foot right there. We're a size 13. But those are the rocks that were in there. So what they did was they dug basically that pond out that Jaren's over there, you guys saw just a second ago, and they filled it with more rock than what I would need for a pond. Then they took some decorative stone and they just put it on top of the rock to make it kind of match and blend in with the rest of it. Problem with that is all the dirt, all the sand, all the rock, shale pieces breaking apart, things like that, clogged every single one of the crevices that those rocks were meant to create. This water feature is only 2 years old. This is a 2-year-old, 24 months, and that already failed. That is why we use the Aqua Block and Aqua Vault system. That is why we use it. That is what we do it for. It is so that way we can maintain it, we can clean it, we can do water changes in it, and the Aqua Blocks will keep the void in the basin for your water storage. These folks, unfortunately, are now paying for their entire system twice. Guys, do not hire a cut rate contractor who doesn't know what they're doing in the pond industry to build your water features. I know it's more expensive, but that's cheaper than paying for it twice. They went cheap, now they're getting the professionals to do it, the master CAC to do it, and it just would have been less expensive for them just to have hired me from the beginning. So, well, machine's coming back. We're gonna get this basin set in, and we're gonna go from there. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.
I can take you where you wanna go.